Howdy fellow sublimation peeps. In today's video we're going to keep it pretty short. We're going to be taking part in the heat transfer warehouse, the Partner Challenge with heat transfer, and this is part 2 of this pretty much. We did the one a couple months ago with the superhero challenge, as you'll remember. But this time we're going to do a winter challenge and a whole new box, all new stuff. So let's go ahead and dive on into it. Alright guys, we went ahead and cut the tape on it and everything. So let's go ahead and see what we got in here. First things first, we have this beautiful super soft hoodie. Let's see what brand it is. It is the District brand and size extra large. And overall it's a nice color. It's almost like it's an aquamarine with like a touch of blue to it. See if we can get out there to actually do it. Be a nice color for winter. Next we have the Walla Puff vinyl, and this is the stuff that puffs up once you heat it. I don't know if we're going to be able to use the yellow with what I have in mind, but we'll see. This is the Strip Flock Pro White. Now what I'm most excited about is all this vinyl. We'll go ahead and dive on into it. Alright, now let's go ahead and dive on into the vinyl after a malfunction. Easy Weed Silver Blue. Look at that color. It almost looks black, but it has like a reflective. That's a cool color. Man, that's a cool color. We also have Glitter Lagoon. Very cool glittery color. Look at that up close. Snowstorm White Sparkle, Caesar Sparkle. Look at that. That's remarkably close to. Well, no, it's a different color than the HTV glitter. Let's see. I think this is just Walla Cut White. Let me see. This is just Walla Cut. This is the Puff White. Oh, this is gonna be amazing. Oh, that's the Puff. Then what is this? I could have sworn this is the Puff. I'll have to check and see what that is. Yeah, I still don't know what that particular yellow is, but this is a Electric Mermaid, and that is a really cool color. I really like that color. This is Easy Reflective, and it's more of a gray color. Really cool. And this is Holographic Moonlight Pearl. As you can see at different angles, it does different stuff. It's a holographic heat transfer vinyl. So really cool. And last but not least, we also have something I'm really excited to try, which are rhinestones. And I'm gonna put those. I'm gonna try to do a design with like snowflakes and stuff, and try to put those amongst snowflakes. So we'll go ahead and get everything planned out and go ahead and start cutting vinyl. Alright guys, so here's what I've got drawn up. Obviously this isn't the correct color of the sweater, but it's pretty close. It's pretty close to the color of the hoodie. For the freaking, we're gonna do let's see the color. We are going to do this particular color right here, which is the Moonlight Pearl Reflective. It's the holographic Moonlight Pearl. Be really cool on the text. For the bright white, we're actually going to do this. This is going to be our glittery silver, which is Snowstorm White Sparkle. For this lighter gray color, there's more of them. That's what we're actually going to do last, and it's going to be the Walla Cut Puff, which is going to be super duper cool. For these smaller little guys right here and here, we're going to do those in the Easy Reflective. And last but not least, the text right here that has the thin white outline, we're going to do that in Lagoon Glitter. Because I think it'll be really cool. It's going to need that white outline. So what I've done because I get nervous when I do HTV, so I go ahead and do all my layers separately. And you see how this is going to kind of work. Like you can go put it exactly where you need it to go. Whoops. Totally didn't do that right. Yeah, you go copy this, paste it on a new layer, everything should go right where you need it to go. Boop. Not exactly where you need it to go, but with a little organization, you can get it there. Same with this. You just get it there and bam, easy. Super easy. So you see how it works. It's just a matter of getting it done. But yeah, we got them all in separate layers. Hopefully this will go pretty good. I feel like it's too simple to need a registration mark. I think I can just if I get the white layer down first, I think I can kind of manage it from there. The white being the not the puff, because we got to do the puff last because otherwise it won't be puffy. So yeah, overall super excited, ready to do this. I'm missing a layer though. Storm Sparkle. Yeah, because this is the one we're going to be doing first. So we'll go ahead and get this going. I'm going to go ahead and get this into the Silhouette Cameo, and we're going to go ahead and get the vinyl cut. Now, I know you guys don't want to spend an hour watching me cut and weed vinyl, so we'll go ahead and time-lapse this part. Overall, everything cuts and weeds amazingly well. The secret is to follow the settings on the Heat Transfer Warehouse website. They have the perfect settings for you regardless of your vinyl cutter. This makes things super duper easy. Yeah. Let's go ahead and roll with that. Where's our, yep, let's get our Teflon sheet one more time. Okay. There we go. First, we're going to start out with this, with the silver color. And again, this is the top. So let's get that, and this is pretty much the whole design, to be totally honest. Go up a little bit with it. I think right there is a good, yeah, I like that. I like that a lot. Let's go ahead and cover them on up. And we're going to go ahead and press it for about 311 for about 20 seconds. Hot peel. Let's do a little bit more pressure. There we go. There we go. Now, let's check, make sure everything's stuck. Again, this is a nice warm peel. Looks really good. Off to a really good start. Alright, now we're going to do this part. And we want that G, we want that character kind of centered between the two. Just about like that. That looks perfect. Okay. And then again, now this is the holographic material. Look at how freaking cool that is. That stuff's so cool. So we're gonna once again put our sheet and we're gonna press it. And this is also a warm peel vinyl, so we'll go ahead and knock it out too. Nope, didn't tack. Let's go ahead and put a little more pressure and hit it again. Put a little more pressure. Hit it again. That's a crap ton of pressure. Is this stuff warm peel or cool peel? The part I was worried about was that G. That stuff's so cool. Okay. Right. Now let's go ahead and get this guy centered up. And that is going to go right there. So we're also going to go ahead and roll this one. We're going to protect everything with our Teflon. That's too much pressure. There we go. Okay. So far, so good. Okay, so that, okay. I got it. So these go here and here. So somewhere like that. And somewhere, let's see. That goes right off the edge of that. So something like that. Yeah. Okay. So that goes something more like really? It looks like it goes something more like that. Okay, so it goes right below that. So it goes something like that. That's cool. That's gonna work. And these are this is the reflective vinyl. And once again, we're not gonna be lazy. We're gonna use our Teflon, which I happen to get dust everywhere somehow. Because dog hair, because golden retrievers. And we're gonna go ahead and press it. Teflon off. Okay. It says warm peel. Perfect. All right. Last but not least, let's get puffy. I think that's this guy. So we'll go ahead and put that guy right there. Yep. That guy goes right there. Puffy, yep. Puffy, puffy, okay. And then this guy goes up here. Right here. And right here. If I'm not mistaken. Yep. Now we're going to try this. Let me double check the instructions on puff. It says medium pressure, so we're going to back down the pressure a little bit. Even medium pressure. So there we go. Did it puff up? Are we puffing? Holy crap, that's so cool. Oh my god. It's so puffy. It's so puffy. Oh, it's so puffy. I wish I'd have done more puffy stuff. Oh my gosh. That's kind of cool. Like, this is a really cool shirt. Oh man. Alright, we'll let this sucker cool off and we'll get some final footage of it. Alright guys, another project in the books. This awesome custom hoodie that I made for either my daughter or my sister-in-law is probably going to end up with it. My daughter always gets first dibs. But just look how cool that the puff finally is. That gives a whole different degree to the thing, man. It's so awesome. Overall, I'm super thrilled with this. This is my best heat transfer HTV project to date. So overall, I'm super thrilled with it. Learned a lot. Worked with a lot of new exotic materials that I probably otherwise wouldn't have worked with. But overall, man, I'm so happy with this thing. Shout out to Heat Transfer Warehouse for putting this on and giving us partners a chance to do something a little out of the ordinary for us, because usually I just do sublimation and that's usually about it. But anyway, I'll have links below for all this stuff. And overall, guys, I'll even include a link to the file. I'll drop it on my website for free. That way, if anybody wants to try it, feel free. Also, I want to give a big shout out to Luna Bear, our new Golden Retriever puppy. We'll go ahead and put a picture up here for you. That's our new girl that just come in. She's about almost 9 weeks old, and she's really something else. And she's probably the reason why this video took longer than it should have. But once again, guys, I appreciate all the love and support, and peace.